Give me Wi-Fi.
I will still do live this night, but I just want to pray for them. Yes, my dear.
I think it's very comfortable and
Where?
private for us.
But we check in.
Okay.
Yes, but let's get the place.
Okay.
In case of so that they
God bless you, viewers. God bless you. Right in Lomé, Togo. I'm here with my son. And yeah. I want to pray for you wherever you are. What do you call this hotel? What do you call it?
Hotel de Février.
Yeah?
Hotel de Février.
De Février. So please, can you just tell us more about this hotel?
Hotel de Février is the only five-star hotel in Togo where the president and all the ministers lodge. It's a very VIP hotel, high standard hotel in Togo.
The only five-star hotel in Togo where the president, everybody lodge. Okay, this is where you lodge me. God will bless every one of you. Wherever you are, Johnny Frost, share the broker. I want to pray for you. I am right in Togo, the best hotel in Togo, five-star hotel, where the president and so other dignitaries are staying. This is where I am. So let me just show you around. Just show you around. Because as you are seeing my face now, God is changing your story wherever you are all over the world. This is our daddy. This is our daddy that came to pick me from the airport. Chief, can you say our daddy? Say hi to our daddy.
Mommy, God bless you.
God bless you. So I'm right in Togo. Came to see my son and the wife. They invited me to come over. So I came to see them. This is where they lodge me. Five-star hotel, the best hotel in Togo, where the people that matters are lodging. I pray for you wherever you are. As you are seeing my face, I decree prophetic will change your story today. I will be ministry tonight. I pray for you wherever you are seeing my face. Pray for you wherever you are hearing the sound of my voice. Every area of your life that you have been believing God for miracle, receive it in the name of Jesus Christ. Receive it in the name of Jesus Christ. Receive testimony in the name of Jesus Christ. Are you believing God for the fruit of the womb? Are you believing God for marriage? Are you believing God for document? Wherever you are, as you are seeing my face, God is blessing you in the name of Jesus Christ. Well, I just want to use the opportunity to announce to all of you that I'm not coming back again. This is my daughter. This is my daughter. My very beautiful daughter. Yes. Can you see? Can you see where I am? I'm not coming back to Nigeria again. All the Nigerian people, you should carry your Nigeria. I am not coming to Nigeria again. I want to nationalize now in Togo. I'm not coming again to Nigeria. I'm nationalizing in Togo. Can you imagine? I should come? Okay, they are calling me. They are calling me. I'm going there right now. I'm going there right now. This is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. I always saw this kind of hotel in Egypt. Wow, 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 wow. God bless you. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Look, I'm checking in now. They want to check me into my room. Check it. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.